Good morning all, the LEGO Group and Nintendo have officially teamed up with set 77092, the Legend of Zelda Great Deku Tree. Pre-orders are already being accepted for the 2,500 rupees, which will go on sale September the 1st for about £260. In order to reproduce the Deku Tree from Legend of Zelda, a plethora of new elements have been included and used in this set. The characters, such as Zelda, as she appears in Breath of the Wild, and 3 different versions of Link, one based on his Breath of the Wild appearance and 2 based on the Ocarina of Time. There are smaller details which include a cooking pot, the maraca shaking Hetsu, Navi the fairy, a Skulltula, a treasure chest, and a Korok tucked away on a treetop. One version of this set can be shown at a time, however, the models can be rebuilt to resemble the 2 Deku trees from Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time and the Breath of the Wild. There is a side build of Link's house, which is really cool, and as you can see, it's a great build for Navi here, who looks awesome. And we have this 2x3 sign that looks great and has writing on it and everything. All the way that Navi has been designed to fly here, and the pattern on the dish component. The ladder that leads up to the small enclosed space looks fantastic, and there's even a small inside section with a bed at the top. Play features include a moving expression on the Breath of the Wild build with a drop-in Skulltula on the Ocarina of Time model, though the set seems to be designed for display given the olden age range. A new and exclusive element has been used here for the Master Sword, just one among several, and it looks absolutely fantastic. Anyway, what do you guys think? Will you be purchasing this set in a couple of months' time? Did you enjoy the other Nintendo sets? And what other sets would you like to see from Nintendo? Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section down below, and as always, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!